Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, you can drink. Correct. Number two means possibly. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer drinks iced tea every day. Jennifer drinks iced tea every day. Iced tea. It is a cold drink, usually with sugar. Now we can make a flashcard for iced tea. Please make a card like this. Write iced tea up here in the top left corner. ICEDTEA. Down here, FOO1. This means food, level 1. And over here the number 24 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Iced tea. Iced tea. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Maybe Bob will come here tonight. Maybe Bob will come here tonight. Maybe. We don't know for sure if he will come or not. You can also say perhaps. And possibly is also possible. Now we can make a flashcard for maybe. Please make a card like this. The basic form, to do something, maybe. Please write that up here, MAYBE. Down here, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here the number 22 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. May. Be. Maybe. Maybe is almost always one word in modern English. In Old English, this is possible. You may be right. But in modern English, we say you might be right. Game over. You did very well today. Is iced tea hot or cold? It is cold. Very nice. And number two, maybe. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number one, when you have pain in your head, headache. Correct. Number two, lip. Body part around your mouth. And what am I doing? Pray. Correct. Today is Friday, July 11th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course, rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.